Hi and good morning everyone. We are from Group 16, Sorun Yu, Qi Ziqing, Muhammad Sufi bin Hamdan. Based on the dataset of property that have been given in Kuala Lumpur, we have 53,884 data. These all are some of the locations can be found in dataset. Range that we consider to filter it from 53,884 data is first location that within 50 minutes from KLCC where the husband worked in KLCC. Second, the price that within 600,000 to 1 million. And room that within 3 to 5. And the maximum car park is 3. Property type is without condominium and apartment because the family had one elderly people. Lastly, the house is fully furnished. After we filter it, we just left 13 data out of 53,884 data. These 13 properties is fully fulfill the suitable requirement that we consider in the previous slide. I believe that the first thing will be considered is the price. So I categorize the price into 4 categories, which its intervals is 1 million. Based on this graph, we can clearly saw that the properties that in the categories of 7 million to 8 million had the most property. Based on the 13 properties that have been filtered out in previous, we have made a pivot table using Excel for you to get a better understanding of what we are presenting now. Pivot table can summarize, sorting, and reorganize data. This table is formed based on the 13 data that have been filtered it out before. From the graph, we notice that the number of bathrooms for one-story houses is usually only had 2 bathrooms, but for the number of bathrooms for 2-story houses is 3 bathrooms. Among these 13 properties, the properties that have most is 2 stories, terrace, link house, intermediate with 3 bathrooms.
The second graph that formed from this table is the number of property types within the range of price. So we can see that 2-story terrace link house intermediate is the most properties type, which had 5 properties and its price is between 700,000 and 800,000. The next graph is about the number of locations in KL within the range of price. So based on the graph, Cheras Kuala Lumpur is a city that have the most properties with the reasonable prices, which are between 700,000 and 800,000. Next, this is our statistical analysis. So we use the 13 properties that have been filtered before in order to calculate the descriptive statistics, which are mean, mode, median, and so on. Based on the table, we strongly recommend these 3 properties that we highlighted. Why we choose these 3? First, among the 13 properties, the first one is most cheaper. Second, it is an end-lot house because usually end-lot house has a courtyard that relatively larger than other houses, and their children can play it outside. Third, comparable with the 8 and 9 house, they have similar identities, which are number of bathrooms and car parks, the property types, land area, and fully furnished. Just the different identities are the price and rooms. 2 of these houses that have 4 rooms, but if we consider that the 8th house, which the plus 1 room is a storeroom, it will happen not enough rooms. Others, the price also not much different, so we choose the night house. The location also suitable because it's close to KLCC within 15 minutes. That's all from us. Thank you.